Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Today I am with a new recipe of chicken stew. হোলিতে এত কিছু খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়েছে তাই ভাবলাম স্টমাককে কিছু হেলদি আর নিউট্রিশিয়াস দেওয়া উচিত। But before starting the video, make sure like, comment and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified about the exciting recipes. So at first I have washed all the veggies and cut them. I have taken papaya, potato, ginger, onion, then beans, carrots and garlic. We will also need some whole spices like cinnamon, black peppercorns, green cardamoms and cloves. Now I have cleaned and washed the chicken pieces well. I have taken 400 gram chicken, sprinkle some salt and black pepper powder and marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a pressure cooker or any heavy bottomed pan. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Let the butter melt completely. Add all the whole spices. Saute for 30 to 40 seconds. Then add chopped garlic and ginger. Give it a quick mix. Then add chopped onion. Fry until translucent. Then add potato and carrot. After a minute, add papaya and beans. Fry them for another minute. Now add the chicken pieces. Fry them from all the sides. Put the lid on with 1 liter water. Cook till 3 to 4 whistles. If cooking in normal heavy bottomed pan, you will need to fry the chicken well and then boil in water until chicken are well cooked. When the pressure releases completely, open the lid. Check the pieces if they are cooked or not. If not, put on the lid and cook for another 1 whistle. Lastly, add a tablespoon cornstarch into 3 tablespoons water. Make a slurry and add into the stew. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Add a teaspoon butter. Switch off the flame. Transfer to a serving bowl. Serve hot. It is a very good lunch or dinner option. I like to have like this only, but you can serve with butter toast. Enjoy this nutritious recipe and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Share the recipe with your loved ones. Stay tuned for the next recipes. Bye.